Well, shooting for Mandate Magazine, the first time was amazing, but this time was absolutely incredible because I got to shoot with my husband. And these are probably one of the nicest layouts. I mean, I've only seen like one or two pictures right now. The nicest layouts I've ever seen, some of the nicest pictures I've seen of us. It's really easy with Daniel because he's my best friend. And when you have a best friend, and I think that there's a lot of people out here that do, you always want to see your best friend. You always want to talk to him. You always want to talk about work. You want to talk about fun stuff. You want to talk about things you want to do. And it just so happens he's not only my best friend, he's my husband and he's my lover. So I love it. If we go to dinner and we don't talk about work, then great. But if we go to dinner and we talk nothing about work because we're both so excited, then that's great too. We don't really separate the lines because our work is our life. It's like this, juggling.
I'm not even in the films and it stresses me out. So I can't even imagine what it's doing to her.
It's a lot of fun. It's almost, I see acting as like, it's sort of like a game. Every day I go to set and I get to be something different and I get to do something new. And that's a lot of fun, whether it be for Leela or Masizade or Kuch Kuch Locha Hai, and there's a few more. It's not one person that I would like to romance with. For me, it's more about I want to work with the people that want to work with me. If that means that that role has intimate scenes or sexy scenes in it, then, you know, it's part of the job, it's part of the movie, it has to be believable.
Mandate, for me, is the first magazine in India, for myself, that it's kind of like a home for me now. They have always treated both of us with the utmost respect and given us a chance to basically showcase ourselves and showcase us in a light that other magazines maybe didn't give us the opportunity to. So for me and forever, and I know for her and forever, Mandate is a home for us.
I don't see things as being competitive. I think my biggest competitor is myself. Who do I think is a great actress? I've always loved Vidya Balan. I think Kangana does an amazing job as well. Priyanka Chopra, I think, is the jack of all trades. She does it all. I think she's probably one of the most inspiring women in Bollywood that I watch and I look at and I read her articles and I see everything she's doing. Or I go back to the States and then I see her on a big guest billboard. You feel proud when you're in another country and then you see one of your own. You're like, yes, she's Indian. She's from where I'm from, and you know, you get excited. So I think she's very, very inspiring. The song is called Ye Ishq, and you can take it from there.
It features Sunny, myself, and Ali Kuli, who's in the Big Boss house. It is on Z Music and will be shown in Kuch Kuch Locha Hai. It is filmed, we flew Ali to Los Angeles and we filmed the whole video there.
We flew my whole makeup team.
The whole team, everybody in LA, so we can get a totally different vibe, totally different feel, and that's all we're going to tell you.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.